All right, this box is absolutely beautiful and so massively huge. I don't even think I'll be able to fit it underneath the camera to do an unboxing, but you can see over here, it says, quick, open here for beautiful stationery. How adorable is that? And then it has a sticker that says, follow your dreams, they know the way. So excellent packaging, totally indicative of the massively huge price tag that I paid for this. And let me try to do this without killing myself or breaking anything. There we go. Just kind of sawed it open. So we'll just do, I guess, the unboxing right here this way. So inside it says, this is the start of something wonderful. How pretty is this box? And then we have another card inside of here that says, hello, lovely. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's too bright. There we go. Hello, lovely. And it says, thank you. We hope you love your stationery goodies. Lisa, thank you so much for it with love, Carrie. So it's actually handwritten. So I'll show it to you underneath the DocuSign. So I did order a few different things inside of here. So one is the Dream Handbook. So that's inside of here. Don't worry, we'll open up each of these underneath the scope. And My Wild and Wonderful Life. I don't even remember what's inside of here. And then here is the main event, which is the 2025 planner. It's a little smaller than I remember, but we will measure it to check it out and see what's inside. So that's it. You have some really pretty pink crinkly paper inside of there. And that's it. It's like a big, huge cake box. I don't even know what happens when people order less items if they don't get that big, huge, pretty cake box. So let's open the main attraction first, which is the actual Carrie & Company planner. So I have no idea how much this was because it was in pounds, but it's 59 pounds for the 2025, what they call the Perfectly Planned Midnight Blue Planner. Now it came in pink and I've received pink in the past, but I love the blue. And in fact, to commemorate this, I'm wearing a blue shirt, and we should even change the color in the background to blue. I don't even know why it was green, but inside of here, we have this beautiful box again that says, hello, dreamer. Get ready to make amazing things happen in 2025. Your best year ever starts right here, Carrie. And then inside of here, we have a nice, I think we have another box, like another box inside of a box. So the beautiful boxes just never end. Oh yes, we do. This is so pretty. Okay. The Perfectly Planned 20, maybe all of the money that you're paying for is for the box. Oh, this is not even this. I don't think this is the planner. This is the manifesting bundle, which is only 14 pounds. I know this massively huge, beautiful box was just 14 pounds. Take big, bold steps in the direction of your dreams. And I'm so excited. You have in front of your 2020 planner in front of you. I don't know, maybe this is the planner and the manifesting bundle all together. So we have our manifesting notebook, which I believe you could purchase separately. So this is hardbound and it is a book. You've got this. Oh, I love these things. So I don't know if anyone remembers, Lululemon used to put this on their bags. It was like the #1 reason to go shopping there. They have since gotten rid of that. I don't know why, which is too bad because they were really cute. How to use this manifesting notebook. So I'm actually surprised. These pages lay flat. So it's actually really nice. So let's move this to the side so you can see this. Allow your creativity to flow. Sometimes it takes this DocuSign camera just a minute to focus. All right, so over here we have an attitude of gratitude, affirmations, so you don't have to look any up. It already gave them to you. And then we have blank pages. I don't know how you're supposed to use this. I guess you can just use this to, it's just a notebook, basically is what you paid for. So there's that. Oh, it has a bookmark inside of it. It has a blue, nope, has a white bookmark, but that's okay. So that's it. We got a blank notebook and it says manifesting on the front. And we have these manifesting pens. So let's check these out. And over here it says Carrie Company. And let's try writing with these. Oh, these are really smooth. So this is a heavy pen. Like, it feels pretty substantial, like a nice business pen. And it's ballpoint. Those are all the words that I can think to write right now. I can't think of words on the stop. So, and we got 2 of them. So we have 2 nice big thick pens, and they say Carrie Company. So very cute. All right, so those are our pens. This is our plain notebook. And now we have a bookmark. I'm guessing it's a bookmark. I think it's a bookmark. Not really sure what this is. Clearly, I've been missing this my whole entire life and really needed it because of the fact that I can't even figure out what it is. I can't even figure out how to open it. I'm not strong enough. The plastic is stronger than me. All right, here we go. All right, so it has this, I don't know if you can see, it says Carrie Company right here. It's kind of like engraved in it. So that's cute. And, oh, I think maybe this is a pen holder. That would make sense, right? This is the pen holder. Yeah, we have a pen holder, and then this can be a clip to clip onto your planner to say what page you're on. Oh, inside the box it says, I am more than just a box. I am a place for you to safely keep your special memories, treasures, and dreams from 2025. Whether it's the airline ticket from that dream you took, a cutout of an article you were featured in, or a treasured photo with loved ones or a special occasion. Okay, so this is supposed to be like a memento box. All right, let's see what this is. I think this is the actual planner. And it has bubble wrap to make sure it arrived nice and safe. Oh, that's right, I forgot. This thing is massively huge. It's a daily planner, so it has a ton of pages. So this is a very pretty. It is much smaller than I thought. I guess because I'm used to the Power Sheets planner, which is bigger. So I guess I was expecting it maybe to be more this size, but it's like not. It's like way smaller. So there's that. All right, so let's open it up. So we have Perfectly Planned 2025. And then we have over here, let this be the moment right now, here and now, where you say out loud, I believe in myself, I'm worthy. So nice little affirmation over here. A little note from Carrie. And then about your planner over here on the right. Some declarations of dreams over here. And I'm just checking to make sure this is straight. And then 2024 year in review. We have your 2025 vision. We have your money goals, your bucket list. I just don't like that term. Your 2025 overview, and then we have your quarterly plan and your quarter plan, January, February, March. So you got a spot for each month. And then we have January. So we have all these little tab dividers over here. Let me move this so you can see. And then we get a, oh, that's interesting. There's no January 2-page spread. I thought for sure there would be a January 2-page spread. Okay, so here's your January plan. How do you want to feel this month? What is one self-care? What is one self-scare thing you will do? Top goals for January. So it gives you space for 5 goals. I think that's a lot. Okay, now we have the January 2-month spread. We have the weekly planner over here. And now we have a daily planner. So this is a lot of pages. I forgot this was a daily planner. So that's why this thing is so massively huge. This is like a paperweight for your desk. I don't know that you're going to be moving this around a lot. Okay, so here's the weekly planner again. So that's interesting. So we have a weekly planner. So we have the 6th through the 12th. Then we have Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, etc. And it goes on. Now we have another weekly planner. And that's interesting. It's on the left. And then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday's on one page, and then the weekly planner is over on the right. So this must kind of rotate back and forth. Yeah, the weekly planner is on the left. So it just does a rinse and repeat. Let's see. I think the one thing, there it is. We have our month in review. At the end, we have January. Email subscribers, Instagram, Facebook, haha, TikTok. We'll see if TikTok's still around. YouTube subscribers, anything else? And over here we have February. So it looks like it does a rinse and repeat. Oh, look at that. I don't know how they do this. How do they end it every day perfectly on this last page? Because there are a different number of months, and every month has a different number, like 30, 31. Okay, now we got it. Okay, so March ended on this page. No, it's still going to end it on this page. They just added some notes. Oh, a quarterly plan, quarter two plan, and then we jump right into quarter two. So it looks like every month is a rinse and repeat. Again, I find this like a miracle that they keep ending on the right page. And yeah, they did it again. That's pretty amazing. Oh, no, they have a notes page. I knew it. I knew it. It is hard to plan these things. Okay, so now we have June. And then we have, our quarterly plan. So it looks like the quarterly plan is the only thing that kind of mixes up this whole monthly rinse and repeat. And it just keeps going on and on. Let's see if we have a year-end wrap-up. Maybe the year-end wrap-up is buying the next year's planner. And that's it. Just a December review, no year-end wrap-up. Pretty much by the time you're at the end of the month anyway, you're like pretty much done with the planners and you're like, I'm kind of out of here. All right, so we do have this ribbon for a bookmark that you can kind of throw in here. So do I like it? I love it. I actually really think it's going to be difficult to write on the right side, especially over here, until you get maybe to the middle. No, even if you get to the middle of the month, you still have this massively huge O coil, but I don't really know that there's a solution for that when you have a daily planner with that many pages. But A+ on packaging. Like, this is 100% the best packaging I have seen of any planner, like, ever, since Cultivate What Matters prior to when it was sold. There are still two more things inside of here. So we have the Dreambook. So let's open this up. Again, another beautiful box, even though this one is a little more muted. And inside of here, we have another box inside of a box. How great is that? And over here, we have Dream It, Write It, Live It. And we have the Dream Big, then go make wonderful things happen. So another beautiful gold foiling postcard. And this is shrink wrapped. Oh, and there's tissue paper. Like, this is all very extra. All right, so we have Carrie Company, Get Ready to Design Your Dream Life. The Dreambook, so very muted. I don't even know if I was able to pick a color. So the Dreambook was 38 pounds, and I got this in soft sand. Side, we have a nice pretty cover. And again, this is kind of like the other manifestation book. It does do a great job of laying flat, which I'm surprised at. And over here we have About Your Dream Book. We have How to Use Your Dream Book, always great. I always like say people who don't have that How to Use Your Book, they totally missed the mark. The vision you hold for your dreams, family life. I guess this, you could paste some things or draw some things. I cannot draw. Crafting your dream life plan. Crafting your dream life plan again. And then another touchy-feely quote. Carrie's tips for making your dream come true. And then I guess this is a website. And trust the process. Okay, so the first section is your dream vision. And I feel like it's already asked me enough about the dream, so I don't know how much more I could write. And then we go on to like a bunch of blank pages, and then we have section 2, which is dream name. I want to achieve this dream because if you could achieve this dream would make me feel. When do I want to achieve this by? Are these the same questions from the first one? I want to achieve this dream because when do I want? Yeah, they're exactly the same. Stick a picture of your dream. Okay, so this is a rinse and repeat. And how many dreams can you have? You can have, it looks like, okay. And so they stuck some motivational things in here. Oh, this is interesting. So at the end, you have, I achieved this dream on. So there's a date by which you need to achieve this dream. The biggest thing I learned was how does it make me feel having achieved this? And then number 6, you start over again. So I'm not sure if you like just put a bunch of dreams and then just go back after you've achieved them. But that's interesting. I've never actually seen that. Okay, so 11, and then some other steps to take, by when. So this feels more like a goal planner, right? Even though it's called a dream planner, but that's okay. And then I think that's it. It just kind of rinse and repeats, and that's our whole book. Just one dream after another, and it gives you, let's see what the last count was. I think it gives you, there's 17, there's 18, 20. So you have space for 20 different dreams that you can insert inside of here. And it has a white bookmark that you can enter in here. So that was the dream workbook. And let's look at the last one. This is one of those 5-year planners, which I feel like are gaining like a lot of popularity. That seems crazy to me that I would even hold on to a journal, but 5 years can come and go pretty quickly. So in here, we have a little note for people at the top. Hello, dreamer. I love it when boxes do this. So clearly she's done an excellent job of like curating the best boxes ever. And again, we have another box inside of a box. Whoops, not mean to hit the camera. And over here, we have the My Wild and Wonderful Life 5-year journal of endless possibilities. So I choose to live with purpose, passion, and presence. And we have some bubble wrap. So high-end, grade A, perfect packaging all throughout, and some more tissue paper. And this one, I must have ordered in pink. I say I must have. It's been so, it hasn't been a week. This came really fast. I was surprised because I'm in the US and this was ordered from the UK, but it came super, super fast, like it was here within a week. My Wild and Wonderful Life. Can I fit it all in? Yeah. The only time you should ever look back is to see how far you've come. That's kind of nice. All right. Your 5-year journal. And so we have some little things in here. Your future in sight. Okay, so here we go. Year 1, the date. I've never seen, usually like all 5 years are on one page. Like I've never seen it where they're spread out. But let's check this out. Okay, so month 1 is January. And we have, oh, there it is all on one page. So you'd have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. And then over here on the second, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then that way in theory, you can see what you did each day. I don't even know what you would write. Like maybe I would track my weight. I'm not sure what else I would track. And even then it's easier to track that electronically. But yeah. I love the idea of a 5-year journal in practice. I'm not really sure what I would write that I'd want to track each year over year. But maybe that's because I lack imagination for a 5-year plan, or I just don't like looking into the future. Either way. But so let's recap everything that we saw here. So we had the 5-year journal, which is hardbound. We had the dream book, also hardbound. It had enough space to write 20 dreams in here. They were kind of listed kind of like, I would say like goals, right? And then we got the pens, which was the manifesting bundle set, notebook, and we had the perfectly planned planner. So I know I didn't go over prices. Let me go over the prices again. So the dream book over here with the 20 dreams in it was 38 pounds. The perfectly planned planner was 59 pounds. And then to get that manifesting bundle, which is this notebook and the pens, that was 14 pounds. And then this 5-year journal was 38 pounds. So all in all, 100%, it was expensive, but I feel like you got the value because everything in here was absolutely beautiful. Again, luxury high-end planners. The Carrie Company, the first time I did the planner review, that was my most popular planner review. So let me know what you think and if you would be interested in paying that much for these kind of planners, and if you feel like you would have loved the experience as well. So remember, if you would like to create and sell your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. And I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.